What were you initially planning to do after high school? What influenced your decision, your choice?
I really remember feeling in high school that it was so impossible for me to even know what I would want to do. Like, I remember that was like a constant thought. I was like, how am I supposed to know what I want to do for my life? And that felt like a little stressful for me, but I really fixated on the goal of like getting into college, which I think had its pros and its cons. Because then when I did get to college, it was that question again of like, oh my gosh, like I don't really know what I want to do, but I had a lot of like curiosities. I was like, oh, this sounds very interesting, and like this sounds very interesting. So I explored like a lot of random different classes during college, anything from like urban planning to neuroscience to biology. I did like all of my pre-med classes because I thought maybe I want to be a doctor. I picked up all these things, and that was the time when the pandemic happened, and I started getting interested in video too. So in college, I actually started getting more interested in filmmaking because I think I was just curious to talk to people and like hear their perspectives on things, which was kind of related to neuroscience, but a little different because it's like actually using the medium of like a camera as like the main thing, right? And so I actually participated in a program during the pandemic that taught me how to like use the camera and video edit and also just like craft stories. I think also I am maybe like pretty proactive with reaching out to people that I think are interesting. So I've also like reached out to people when I was in college who were doing documentary work that I thought was really cool. And one of those people, Abby Sun, I started working with her and doing research with her. And later she kind of told me about this graduate program in documentary film, which was also like you didn't have to pay for it, and like they actually pay you to do it. And I was like, I didn't know this existed. It was pretty crazy. And then I applied for that program and got in, and that's kind of what really like kept me on this path. So